Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use MS Excel VLOOKUP. So first of all, we have to click on the blank cell and type equal to VL and tab. After that, we want to search for example user ID. So click on it, comma, where we want to search. So we want to search the user ID in this range. VLOOKUP will search the user ID in first column, that will be here. So we have to select a whole range and VLOOKUP will search our data in first column, comma, what we want a date this time, and in the table we can see date is in column number 2. So we will find date in column number 2, so we have to type 2, comma, we want to search the user ID exactly, so for exact search type 0, close the parenthesis and enter. So the date for user ID ABC19, that is here, January 3rd 2022. Yes, it is correct. Now for example, we want to insert name, city and mobile number also for this user ID. Same rule, click on the blank cell, equal to sign, VLOOKUP, tab. We can use arrow key to come to the user ID, after that comma, and we can also take help of keyboard to select the range. I am using navigation key and Ctrl Shift down, Ctrl Shift right, comma, we can see from the table that name is in column number 3, so type 3, comma, for exact search 0, close the parenthesis and enter. So the name will be available here, ABC19, and the name is Piper. Let me check. Yes, it is correct, this name. Now we will insert city and mobile number also for the same user ID. Same rule, click on blank cell, equal to, type only VL, press tab, use arrow key, or we can also use the mouse, comma, select the range, comma. Now the city is in column number 4, so type 4, comma 0, enter. So this is the city. Here may be some problem, so we are going to check it. Okay, the range was wrong, it should be H2. Let's try again, equal to VLOOKUP, this is the user ID, comma, the range, comma 4, comma 0. So the city is Kyoto here. Yes, this city is correct. Lastly, we want to insert the mobile number also. Same rule, equal to VLOOKUP, this is user ID, comma, range, Ctrl Shift down, Ctrl Shift right, comma, we can see from the table mobile number is column number 5, so comma 5, comma 0 and enter. So the mobile number ending 201, it should be exact. Yes, the mobile number for the user ID ABC19 ends with 3201, it is 3201. Yes, in this way we can use VLOOKUP with the help of keyboard shortcut. And if you want to learn the VLOOKUP in detail with full explanation and more examples, then you can check my other videos. Thanks for watching.